Hi everyone and welcome to this video on crypto investing for beginners. What you need to know. If you're new to the world of cryptocurrency, then this video is for you. I'm here to help you navigate the often confusing world of crypto and give you the basics on what you need to know to get started. Step 1. Do your research before you start investing in crypto. It's important to do your due diligence. This means researching the different cryptocurrencies, their underlying technology, and their potential for growth. Step 2. Choose a reliable exchange. Once you've done your research, it's time to choose a reliable exchange to buy and sell your crypto. Bitget is a great option for beginners, offering easy-to-use tools and a variety of coins to choose from. Step 3. Create a wallet before you can buy crypto. You'll need to create a digital wallet. This is where you'll store your coins, and it's important to choose a secure wallet with good security features. Step 4. Start small. It's always best to start small when you're first getting started with crypto investing. This will give you a chance to get comfortable with the process and see how your investments are performing. Step 5. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your portfolio is important in any type of investing, and crypto is no exception. Step 6. Keep up with the news. Crypto is a fast-moving industry, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest news and trends. This will help you make informed decisions about your investments. Step 7. Be patient. Crypto investing can be volatile, so it's important to be patient and not make impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Step 8. Keep your private keys safe. Your private keys are the key to accessing your crypto, so it's important to keep them safe. Store them securely and don't share them with anyone. Step 9. Consider tax implications. Crypto investing can have tax implications, so it's important to research the tax laws in your country and make sure you're aware of the tax implications of your investments. Step 10. Have fun. Finally, have fun. Investing in crypto can be an exciting and rewarding experience, so enjoy the journey and don't forget to click the link below the video to visit Bitget and take advantage of their great sign-up bonuses. Thanks for watching and happy crypto investing.